Welcome to SafeSpot, your personal safety companion for travel, parenting, and relocation decisions. SafeSpot gives you real-time crime data, safety scores, and proactive protection for any location in the United States. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through every feature so you can get the most out of the app. Let's get started. When you first open SafeSpot, you'll see the login screen. Tap Create Account and enter your name, email, and a password. Once you sign up, you automatically get a 14-day free trial of all premium features. No credit card needed. After registering, you'll receive a verification email. Tap the link in that email to verify your account. If you don't see it, check your spam folder or tap Resend Verification on the login screen. Imagine you just moved to a new city and want to check how safe your neighborhood is. You download SafeSpot, create your account in under a minute, and immediately start searching locations. No waiting. No payment required during your trial. This is your home screen, your safety command center. At the top is the search bar where you can look up any U.S. address, city, or zip code. Below that are 4 quick access cards. Community reports. See what's happening in your area. Real-time crime data, updated hourly from official sources. Sex offender registry. Know who's nearby before you go. Instant family alerts. Get notified when family members leave safe zones. Below the cards, you'll see a New to SafeSpot banner that links to this tutorial video anytime you need a refresher. And underneath that, your recent search history for quick access to locations you've checked before. The Safety Snapshot is the heart of SafeSpot. Tap the search bar and type any address, city, or neighborhood. You can also tap the location icon to use your current GPS location. Once you search, SafeSpot pulls up a comprehensive safety snapshot with a risk score from 1 to 10, where 1 is very safe and 10 is high risk. The snapshot has 11 tabs of detailed information. Map, an interactive map showing the area with crime markers, sex offender locations. Watching community reports plotted visually, you can zoom in and out to see the bigger picture. AI, an AI-generated safety analysis that summarizes the area's overall risk, highlights key concerns, and gives you plain English recommendations. Time shows how safety changes throughout the day. Some areas are safe during daylight, but risky at night. This tab breaks it down hour by hour so you can plan accordingly. Stats, detailed crime statistics including violent crime rates, property crime, theft, assault, and more. You'll see how the area compares to national averages. Logs, a chronological list of recent crime incidents in the area, including what happened, when, and where. Live, real-time crime data pulled directly from City Open data. Portals. This covers major cities like Chicago, New York, Los Angeles, Seattle, San Francisco, Philadelphia, Austin, and Denver. Offenders shows registered sex offenders in the area with their locations plotted on a map. Premium members can see full details, including offense type and physical descriptions. Weather, current conditions, alerts, and forecasts from NOAA. Severe weather can affect safety, so this is included for complete situational awareness. Air quality index from the EPA's AirNow system. Useful if you or your family have respiratory concerns. Quakes, recent earthquake activity and seismic data from the USGS. Especially relevant if you're in California, the Pacific Northwest, or other earthquake-prone regions. News, local crime news articles for the area you searched, pulled from news sources so you can read what's been reported recently. You're planning a family vacation to Austin, Texas. You search downtown Austin and the safety snapshot shows a risk score of 5.2. The time tab tells you it's safest before 6 p.m. The offenders tab shows 3 registered offenders within a half-mile of your hotel. Now you can make informed decisions about where to stay and when to explore. The Safety Copilot is your personal AI safety assistant. Tap the Copilot icon in the bottom navigation bar. You can ask it anything in plain English. Type your question in the text box at the top. For example, is it safe to walk in downtown Miami at midnight? Location safety. General safety overview of any area. Time of day. Best and worst times to visit. Parent safety. Kid-friendly safety concerns. Renter check. Safety evaluation for a potential apartment or rental. Route safety. Is a specific route safe to travel? Free users get 5 co-pilot questions per day. Premium members get unlimited questions. You're a parent and your teenager wants to hang out at the mall after school. You open the co-pilot and type, "Is Westfield Mall in San Jose safe for a 15-year-old after school?" The co-pilot analyzes crime data around that location, considers the time of day, and gives you a clear answer with recommendations. Watch zones let you monitor locations that matter to you and get alerts when something happens. To create a watch zone, tap Add Watch Zone. Give it a name, like home or kids' school. Search for a location, like your home address, workplace, or your child's school. Choose the radius, how far around that spot you want to monitor. Select the alert types: violent crime, property crime, vehicle theft, drug activity, weapons, fraud, or sex crimes. Save it. When a crime is reported within your watch zone, SafeSpot sends you a notification with the details. Free users get 1 watch zone with violent crime alerts only. Premium members get up to 10 watch zones with all alert types. You set up a watch zone around your child's elementary school with a half-mile radius, monitoring for violent crime and sex offenses. 2 days later, you get an alert that a vehicle break-in was reported in the school parking lot. You now know to remind the school about parking lot security. The Community Reports section lets you see and share what's happening in real time. Tap Community Reports from the home screen or bottom navigation. You'll see a feed of reports from other SafeSpot users. Things like suspicious activity, gunshots heard, theft in progress, vandalism, or unsafe conditions. To submit your own report, tap the plus button, select the type of incident, add a description of what you saw or heard. Your location is automatically attached. Submit the report. Reports are AI moderated for accuracy and help the entire community stay informed. You're walking home and hear what sounds like gunshots a few blocks away. You open SafeSpot, tap Submit Report, select Gunshots Heard, add a quick note. Multiple shots near the intersection of 5th and Main around 9:45 p.m. Other SafeSpot users in the area immediately see the report and can avoid that location. Family tracking is available on the family plan. Tap the family icon in the bottom navigation. The family plan covers up to 5 total members, you plus 4 family members. To add a family member, tap Invite Family Member. Now choose whether you want to invite your child or a parent. Then copy the link and share it with that person. Once they accept and create their account, they'll appear on your family dashboard. Once connected, you can see each family member's real-time location on the map, their online, offline status, so you know if their phone is active, an activity timeline showing where they've been, login and log out notifications, so you know when they're using the app. Your 16-year-old just got their driver's license and is going to a friend's house across town. You open the family tab and can see their location moving along the route in real time. When they arrive at the friend's house, you get a notification. Peace of mind without having to call and check in every 10 minutes. Safe zones are virtual boundaries you set around important locations. When a family member enters or leaves a safe zone, you get an instant alert. Start by opening the Family tab from the left sidebar. At the top, you'll see options to invite family members and check into your current location. Below that, you can enable location sharing. To create a new safe zone, tap Add Zone. Search for a location such as home, school, or park. Then adjust the radius to define how large the zone should be. Quiet hours let you define the time when a family member is expected to stay in the safe zone. For example, if school hours are from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m., you can set quiet hours during that time so SafeSpot sends an alert if they leave the school zone. Once the location is set, give the zone a name such as home, school, or grandma's house and save it. Now SafeSpot will automatically monitor when a family member enters or leaves that zone. For example, you create a safe zone around your child's school. School ends at 3 p.m. At 3:12 p.m., you receive a notification saying, "Michael left school zone." Later at 3:35 p.m., another notification appears, "Michael arrived at home zone." You didn't need to call or message. SafeSpot automatically kept you informed. Below the Safe Zones section, you'll see family members. Here you can view each member of your family group. You can see their status, last active time, and recent location activity. This helps you quickly confirm whether everyone is safe and where they were last seen. Monitor lets you start a safe zone monitoring session for a selected location. Choose a safe zone, set the expected duration, and tap Start Monitoring. SafeSpot will then track whether the family member stays inside that zone during that time and send alerts if they leave. The Angel tab enables Guardian Angel. Guardian Angel is SafeSpot's most powerful protection feature. Here's what Guardian Angel does. Offline detection. If a family member's phone suddenly goes offline unexpectedly, Guardian Angel notices. After a set period, it sends you an alert. Welfare check pings. Guardian Angel can send periodic check-in. Pings to family members. If they don't respond, it escalates the alert. Routine deviation detection. Guardian Angel learns your family members' normal patterns. If they deviate significantly, like not arriving at school when they normally would, it flags it. SIMS escalation via Twilio. If a critical alert goes unanswered, Guardian Angel automatically sends SMS text messages to your emergency contacts using Twilio, even if the app isn't open. Automatic emergency contact notification in a serious situation. Guardian Angel contacts everyone on your emergency list, so multiple people are aware and can respond. Guardian Angel has 2 monitoring levels: standard, basic monitoring with offline detection and welfare checks. Guardian Plus, heightened monitoring with more frequent checks, faster escalation, and routine deviation alerts. Use this for younger children or family members in higher risk situations. The background monitor scans every 60 seconds, so response times are fast. Audio threat detection uses your phone's microphone and AI to identify dangerous sounds in your environment. It can detect glass breaking, screaming or distress calls, gunshots, aggressive shouting. When enabled, it runs quietly in the background. If it detects a threat sound, it immediately alerts you with details about what it heard. To enable it, go to Smart Protection in the app settings and toggle on. You're jogging alone in the evening. Your phone detects a sudden, unusual acceleration pattern, different from your normal running. SafeSpot sends an alert, and if you don't dismiss it within 30 seconds, it can trigger emergency protocols. Live video detection uses your phone's camera and AI to analyze visual surroundings for potential threats. This feature can identify suspicious behavior or situations that might require attention, adding another layer of awareness to your safety toolkit. Enable it through the Smart Protection settings when you want an extra level of monitoring in unfamiliar environments. This feature connects to your Google Calendar and automatically checks the safety of locations in your upcoming events. To set it up, go to Smart Protection settings, then tap on Features and scroll down. Tap Connect Google Calendar. Authorize SafeSpot to read your calendar events. Once connected, SafeSpot scans your calendar for events with location data. Before you head to a meeting, dinner, or appointment, it checks the safety score of that location and sends you a heads up if the area has elevated risk. When you're in an unfamiliar area and start feeling uneasy, SafeSpot helps you quickly identify nearby safe public places you can walk to. For example, if you're walking through an unfamiliar part of town at night and begin to feel uncomfortable, SafeSpot might detect a 24-hour pharmacy just 200 feet ahead and a police substation 2 blocks away. With this information, you immediately know where to go if you need help. Another important feature is the panic button, which works as a one-tap emergency alert. If you ever feel in danger, simply press the panic button and SafeSpot instantly shares your exact GPS location with your emergency contacts. It also sends SMS alerts and records the time and location of the alert. To use it, tap the emergency icon and press the large panic button. Make sure you add your emergency contacts in your profile under the emergency contacts section before you need this feature. For example, if you're walking to your car in a dark parking garage and someone seems to be following you, pressing the panic button immediately sends your location to your spouse, sister, or friends so they can contact you or call for help. SafeSpot also offers trip tracking, which allows someone you trust to follow your route in real time. This is useful for solo walks, ride shares, late-night commutes, or first dates. To start, go to Trip Tracking, then enter your destination. Next, choose your estimated duration. Finally, tap Start Sharing Trip, and your live location will update as you move. When you arrive safely, simply tap Arrive Safely. For example, if you're taking a rideshare home after a night out, your roommate can watch your route live and know when you reach home safely. Another helpful feature is check-in reminders. These are timed alerts that ask you to confirm you're safe. To set one, tap Set Check-in, choose a timer such as 30 minutes or 1 hour. Now add a quick note and then tap Schedule Check-in. And when the reminder appears, tap I'm safe. If you don't respond, SafeSpot automatically notifies your emergency contacts with your last known location. This can be useful if you're meeting someone new or traveling alone. For situations that feel uncomfortable but not necessarily dangerous, SafeSpot includes the Safety Call feature. This creates a realistic fake incoming call on your phone so you have a natural excuse to leave. Simply tap Safety Call, set a delay timer, and when the timer ends, your phone rings like a normal call. For instance, if someone at an event makes you uncomfortable, you can excuse yourself when the call appears. SafeSpot also includes a CPTED safety guide, which stands for Crime Prevention Through Environmental Design. This guide teaches you how to evaluate the safety of a location by checking factors such as visibility, controlled access points, clearly defined public and private spaces, and overall maintenance of the area. You can access this guide from the Help section to help you assess places like apartment buildings or neighborhoods before moving in. The Neighborhood Comparison feature allows you to compare multiple areas side by side using safety metrics such as crime rates, safety scores, and incident counts. This is useful when choosing between apartments, neighborhoods, or even school districts. In addition, multi-year crime trends show how crime levels have changed over time, helping you see whether a neighborhood is improving or declining. SafeSpot also includes a predictive outlook feature, which analyzes historical data to estimate safety risks for the next 24 hours at a location. It highlights higher risk hours and safer times of the day, helping you plan your activities more confidently. If you need detailed documentation, SafeSpot allows you to export a complete safety report as a professional PDF. The report includes safety scores, crime statistics, offender data, trends, and AI analysis. This can be especially helpful for real estate professionals or anyone evaluating a new area. Your profile section is where you manage your account. From here, you can update your name, email, and profile photo, manage notifications, adjust subscription settings, and enable dark mode. SafeSpot offers 3 subscription plans. The free plan includes unlimited safety checks, 5 co-pilot questions per day, and 1 watch zone for violent crime alerts. The individual premium plan adds unlimited co-pilot questions, more watch zones, detailed crime analytics, offender details, AI protection features, and PDF safety reports. The family premium plan includes everything in individual premium, plus support for up to 5 family members, live family location tracking, safe zone alerts, and guardian angel protection. That's a quick overview of SafeSpot and its features. Whether you're exploring a new city, evaluating a neighborhood, or simply looking for extra peace of mind, SafeSpot helps you stay informed and prepared. Stay safe, and remember, knowledge is one of your best protections. Download SafeSpot today at safespot.ai.